What happened in 2012 was the acquisition of Ariba by SAP, which was a massive change in the market, as you can imagine. In the last 18 months, it was one of our priority to meet SAP again and take a fresh new start with SAP. Reset the relationship, meet executive, and understand how we should start a new journey together. Listen the market is something maybe a bit general. What is the market? And I would tend to say that you are the market. So, of course, for us, our main goal is to listen to you.
Gartner has rated the company in 2016 after the two companies merged together. So the result of this was second in ranking in customer satisfaction. A huge number of active suppliers that really make the heart of our network. We're talking on 500,000 of them active. It is important to say that we have data centers in the United States and we have data centers in Europe. This is extremely important to our customers.
So the business network, as some of you might know, it's one of the leading B2B commerce networks right now and is able to work with all the leading ERPs. We are supporting full suite of purchase to pay document types. So whether it's purchase orders, change orders, goods receipts on the buying side, or ASNs, invoices, service entry sheets, remittance advices, credit advices on the supplier side. Then we also have deep integration with all leading ERPs and P2P systems so that we can get the latest invoicing and payment data from your system and show it to the suppliers.
The biggest thing you have to think about is change management. You need to monitor legislative requirements because they do change. Then you need to interpret them, which is the biggest, most important thing. So if you have a multi-country e-invoicing process, this change management becomes a real challenge. The process is no longer yours. The process is a canned process in a shared service somewhere in the cloud run by a third party on your behalf. That is your buying and selling. And there is no escape from that because obviously that provides a massive amount of business efficiency with it.
We are building products that simplify your daily work by providing comprehensive functionalities which are very easy to use, or by guiding your users through the purchasing processes. And by highlighting the most valuable information and tasks.
Sourcing at Perfect, as we're calling it, which is SAP Sourcing version 10, hosted in the cloud. It is an on-premise solution from SAP. Ariba is their cloud solution. We take the SAP solution and we place it into the cloud, version 10 of such. It's not just about event management here. It's not about electronic tenders or electronic auctions. It does more than that. It can do category management. It can do strategic sourcing. It can look at benefits tracking.
And we have to guarantee all the legal value of the invoice. I mean, we have to guarantee the authenticity, the integrity, the legibility of the invoices, and this solution answers to that. We aim to onboard 17,000 suppliers. The basis would be 60% of our invoices in Europe. The solution is quite simple. We started with Abu Perfect, I would say, in June, and we had a go live end of September. So really a few months to put that in place. The real challenge is more on the change management.
What is on the market today? Quite frankly, on the market today, and I'm around that market for a while, you have a procurement system where has been developed a type of receipt. So it means why? It means that you order some services and you will have to receive those services in your system. The match and approve system, which is made to match invoices with the purchase order and the good receipt, classical thing, can also be used on the service entry, on that service entry sheet, to check that the lines of that service entry sheet already match in terms of price, the catalog, or a rate card.
We are working with Abu since now, I think it was in the last century. So that means in 99. We wanted to change the habit of the people by to simplify the process by to implement what we call the three-way matching. So for any standard PO, we wanted to make it mandatory the delivery confirmation of the goods or the services.
We know there's lots of competition in the market that we face every day, and we try continuously to try to be good stewards of your business, and we really appreciate your partnership with us. There's just a need in the market for an easier to use purchasing system. So some of the ways that people are buying on e-commerce websites and doing purchasing and how they're looking at information, we wanted to incorporate that into the user experience for Perfect Procure. So Perfect Procure currently can punch out to the Habu e-catalog system in order to bring the shopping cart back into the requisition in Perfect Procure.